Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing your footage and choosing the right aspect ratio. This matters for final framing. Once your clip is on the timeline, click it so the preview shows transform handles. You're not done yet. Use the crop control rather than just resizing, because cropping removes unwanted edges while keeping scale predictable. Make sure the timeline playhead is where you want to preview, and move the clip slightly if you need a different frame to work from. Next, open the crop and resize options to choose a method. Crop to fill auto-fits the aspect ratio, while free crop lets you define exact edges. You drag the corner handles to trim edges, and you can type numeric values for precision if you need consistent framing across clips. Once cropped, use zoom to scale the subject and pan to reposition the focal point. This step explains the how and why. Crop removes distractions, zoom refines composition. Finally, apply your crop and play the timeline to inspect motion and edges. This verifies the result in context. Once done, export a short test to confirm no black bars or unwanted framing shifts appear in the final file. If you used animated crops, check keyframes and smooth transitions so motion looks natural. If you see pixelation or soft edges, make sure to reduce excessive zoom or swap in higher resolution footage. This troubleshooting tip keeps quality consistent when cropping tight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.